Hi lovies, welcome to my channel. Those of you who are new, I'm Gina. And for those of you who have come back to see more of my DIYs, thank you, I appreciate it. So, I have been on a TEMU craze where I have been hacking really expensive looks using TEMU products. So here's one. Here's the one I'm doing today anyway. So this is a sweater that I got from TEMU. And I ruined it by doing a different DIY. I'm not that great at doing laundry. I mean, I'm better than I ever was, but I'm still not that great. I had no idea that you can't put acrylic sweaters in super hot water. So what I did was I took this sweater from TEMU, and it wasn't the right color when I came. It was like this light yellowy thing, and I wanted more of like a wheat color, a sand color. So I got my Rit dye, I put it in boiling water, and I dyed it, but it got so distorted and there's no way to bring it back to its original shape. So I'm going to take this destroyed DIY and I'm going to create a look with it that I saw that I absolutely love, and it is an $1,800 sweater, and I'm going to try to hack that look. So let's get started. So for this DIY, you're going to need a cable knit sweater, some silk ribbon, plastic yarn needles, and if you want to get that real 90s look, some fur trim. There will be a link to the supplies in the description box below for both Amazon and TEMU. Okay, go thrift yourself a cable knit sweater or get one from TEMU. Stick it in boiling water if you want to get the look that I create today. Okay, here is my stretched out boiled sweater and my beautiful silk ribbon, my fur trim, and my plastic knitting needles. And I did grab my fabric tack glue, although I did not use it. I put on gloves because I thought I was using my glue, and I can't stand the way it feels on my fingers. The best way to thread the needle is to cut your silk ribbon on an angle so you have a little point there, and just feed it through. I started at the bottom of my sweater underneath, and I just pulled the satin ribbon through. I used the cable knit pattern to help me kind of give me a little direction here. And after I would pull the ribbon through, I'd twist it and make sure the shiny part was showing, and I would also puff it up a little bit. I would not pull it tight. I wanted the ribbon to be puffy. This is where I took my gloves off because I realized I wasn't using glue and I didn't need them. And then I just pulled the ribbon through and I was puffing it, making sure the shiny side was showing and that it was nice and puffy. I made the ribbon go one way, and then I come back and I go the opposite way to make a crisscross all the way up. And I repeated this process up and down the sweater, leaving tails on both ends. All I did was knot these ends and left these tails, and it looks so pretty as they fly and fluff away as you walk. I did not try this on at the end to model it for you. I just put it on a bust form, and it doesn't do it justice. It turned out to be a super soft, cozy, and such a pretty, pretty feminine sweater. I added 1 row of the fur trim on both ends of the sweater. And that was it for the feathers, the bow of feathers. I didn't do more than that. I loved the ribbons hanging all over. I hope this technique is inspiring you because you can do so much. Get a nice loose knit sweater, get ribbons in colors that you love. You could even make them holiday colors if you want, and just weave them through, and it's just so pretty at the end. If you're enjoying this DIY, give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of these fashion hacks, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you were born in the 90s or you remember this style from the 90s, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.